Hello everyone, this is Lee Roth, one of the headmaster instructors for the Dean King Training Institute. Wanted to take a few moments to show you a little bit of insight into what we actually do and how we train people. You will actually get complete, over-the-shoulder, personalized attention from our different instructors to give you a solid foundation of all aspects of paintless dent repair, or any of the different automotive reconditioning processes that we train here. But in PDR, things that are very specific to the industry that we do, as far as how to push, finding your tooltip, the use of the light, how to use different tools in different circumstances, and what tools to use in those different circumstances. We go into great depth and great specifics with you as far as how to use those specific tools and when to use specific tools. Each one of our trainers are established technicians that have been in the industry for an extensive period of time with a tremendous amount of successful level of experience in our industry. The personalized attention that we give you allows you to build, understand, and be able to leave here with the foundation and all the building blocks that you need to be able to start your successful paintless dent repair and automotive reconditioning business. As you can see in this video, you are truly one-on-one, multiple trainers working with you at different times, watching over your shoulder, watching you from across the room, always being there for you to be able to answer any question that you have. There is no stupid question. We are always here to help. Even after your training is over, we always give all of our students our phone numbers, our Instagram accounts, our Facebook accounts. If you can't reach me, then you're genuinely not trying. I'm one of the easiest people to get a hold of, and I will always take your call and reply to your text. So know that no matter what industry you're coming from what walk of life you're coming from, you're making a change in career, you're just starting out as a young person trying to start their first career, or at the twilight of a career and ready to change. We will do everything in our power to walk you through all the different aspects of what you need to be able to start that career. We go into great length and detail to show you the use of our lights, the different tools that we use, from whale tails and twist and brace tools to large hail rods and everything in between, to be able to access the dents correctly and efficiently to be able to get a smooth finish that we're looking to be able to do. And for those of you that have never seen or attempted PDR, which most of you haven't, it's a process of which we can repair an area, we can repair a dent in a car, we can repair hail damage, what is considered body shop collision damage. There's a lot of times we can repair that type of damage with paintless dent repair that never before was ever dreamed possible. We will go through all the steps for you to be able to learn to do those things. Your expectation upon leaving the course, no matter if you're starting out with a 2-week course or going all the way up to the 12-week course that we offer, you will leave with a solid foundation of the knowledge of how to push, where to push, when to push, and how to be able to tap that area down and make it smooth again, without the use of any sanding, any Bondo, any painting, or any conventional body shop repair techniques. One of the things that we always like to let you know ahead of time is that at no time are you going to feel that this is easy. What we do is not easy at all. It is very, very difficult. Let's face it, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. The training is extensive. There is a tremendous amount of practice that is required after training. You never stop learning when you're working in PDR. Those of us that have been in the industry 15, 20, 25 years, learn something new practically every time we push a dent. So please understand that even though we are going to do everything we can to make sure we teach you to the best of our ability, and we will, most of it is up to you with your drive and your perseverance and your practice and your dedication. Without that, it's very difficult to be successful in PDR. However, as long as you do have that, you can be incredibly successful. The PDR industry can be very, very lucrative and a very successful industry for a tremendous amount of people. The industry is growing by leaps and bounds. There are so many new vehicles that are coming out on the market every single year, every single day for that matter. The different types of vehicles that are coming into the marketplace with all the electric and hybrid vehicles that are coming out. Those all have metal on them. They all get dented, they all get dinged up, they will all need to be repaired. So there's absolutely no reason to not take the opportunity to get into that industry when you know there's going to be a need for many years to come and generations to come of cars that'll need to be repaired. At the Dean King Training Institute, again, we genuinely care about our students. We want you to succeed, and we will go to the nth degree to do everything we possibly can to help you with that. From not just showing you how to push a dent and showing you how to tap it down nice and smoothly, but discussing with you and showing you marketing techniques, business marketing, how to help set your business up and some of the legalities of business and insurances, and all of the above. Welcome to the Dean King Training Institute.